Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set the automatic clock and that on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. The first step you have to do is select the settings option and then scroll down to the very bottom and then click the system new. After that, you can select the date and time option and then tap the auto set time option. After that, activate the feature by tapping the Use Network Provided Time option. And then, the clock and date have been set automatically on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set the automatic clock and date on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.